Hi, I'm Stefan Mordue. I'm Senior Manager for Education and Partnerships here at Bentley Systems, and I'm really excited to be speaking at the EC3 Summer School 2025 in Porto, where I'll be talking about generative AI in the built environment, a technology that is really transforming how we design, how we construct, and how we operate the world around us. Now, at Bentley, we've been integrating AI-driven solutions across the infrastructure lifecycle, from automated inspections and predictive maintenance to streamlining complex design workflows. Now, generative AI takes this even further. It's helping engineers and designers to automate repetitive tasks. It's helping us to explore new design possibilities and starting to optimize solutions much faster than ever before. So by leveraging AI-powered co-pilots and intelligent automation, professionals can really focus on creativity and problem solving and sustainability rather than spending lots of time on manual, time-consuming processes. So this shift is not just about replacing engineers and professionals, it's about empowering them to make better, faster, and more informed